Hi, threes. So today we are talking about adverbs. That's our grammar for the week. And to explain adverbs, again, parts of speech, I'm going to use our normal sentence. I don't know if you can see on the screen. It looks like the light is glaring, but we'll try. The fox jumped over the silver moon. I changed it up and put a word in there. So let's identify the nouns in the sentence. The nouns are things we can touch. Okay, so things I can touch. Can I touch the? No. Can I touch a fox? Yes. So this is a noun. Can I touch jumped? No. Can I touch over? No. Can I touch the moon? Well, not really, but if you're an astronaut one day, maybe you will. Okay, so moon is also a noun. The next one I'm looking for is my verb, my doing word. What is the fox doing? The fox is jumping. He jumped. That is the verb. We also did prepositions that show the position of something. Where is the fox jumping? The fox is jumping over. So over is your preposition. I'm not going to write the whole word, I'll just write prep. Articles, remember those? We did them last week. A fox, the fox. N is only used for when we have a word starting with a vowel, like owl. An owl. So, but that's not relevant here. We have the, and our article is the. Now, adverbs we have to add into the sentence, and adverbs describe the verb. Like an adjective describes the noun. Oh, I have that one still. My adjective. Is there an adjective describing a noun? Is there something telling me what the fox looks like? No, but there's something telling me what the moon looks like. The moon is silver. So that is my adjective. But my adverb describes the verb. And that usually ends in an ly. So how is the fox jumping? Maybe he's jumping quickly. You see that? There's an ly at the back there. Maybe he's jumping, what's another word? Quietly. Or highly is not a word. We only use words that make sense. But you get the idea? Adverbs describe the verb and they usually end in an ly. And now we are at activity 4, adjectives and adverbs and verbs. Oh my. So we have to remember what each of these things are. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, like old. An adverb is a word that describes a verb or an adjective, like slowly. It usually ends in an ly, but not always, and I'll get to that. A verb is a word that describes an action, like run, the doing word. So here we have to read the sentence, look at the underlined word and say what it is. Is it an adjective, adverb or verb? You circle or highlight or color. Show me which one is the correct one. Diana wanted a kitten more than anything in the world. She had dreamed of the day that she would get an actual pet. Diana happily thought of kittens all day. ly, remember, she hoped her kitten would have blue eyes. Diana's mother secretly bought a kitten. Mama, I did not expect this. Thank you, Diana said. Part 2, choose a word from the word bank to complete each sentence and write the answer on the line. So we have made, soon, getting, carefully and excited. It was Friday and Jamaica was for her party. You have to add an adjective. How was she feeling? Jamaica's mom, big cupcakes for the party. A verb, a doing word. What did her mom do with the cupcakes for the party? She measured the sugar when she baked the cupcakes. Adverb, so it will probably end in an ly. Her friends would walk into the house, adverb. Now this one does not end in an ly. And the reason for that, I'll explain now. Okay, so once again, adverbs describe the verb. and it usually ends in an ly. I keep saying usually because it sometimes doesn't, and this is where we get to. So adverbs can describe how the verb is being done. If the fox jumps over the moon, how is he jumping? He's jumping quietly, peacefully, carefully, easily. All of those end with an ly. But adverbs can also describe where the jump. Where is he jumping? Jumping far, jumping back, jumping outside. All of those are describing the verb, not the preposition. The preposition tells us, don't get confused, about where the noun is. Where's the cat? The cat is besides the table. Okay. This is showing where the jump is happening. I can also say, when is the jump happening? It's happening now. It's happening later. It happened yesterday. He jumped over the moon. Tonight he jumps over the moon. Or soon he jumps over the moon. Soon her friends will be arriving. So it's just to show you that usually it ends in an ly, but not always, because the adverb shows us how the verb is happening, where the verb is happening, when the verb is happening, how much and how often. But we'll get to that in a later stadium. Is that a word? At a later stage, that's better. Okay, so if you struggle with anything, let me know. I'm here to help you, and good luck.